In this video, I will show you how you can reconcile petty cash in Xero accounting software. Now first step is to set up a petty cash account. You just have to go to the accounting menu and from there click on bank's account. Now on this screen you have to click on this add bank account option. Now on the search result you have to type petty cash and then you have to just click on this add without bank feed and click on continue. Then in the bank name type petty cash and you can also add the business account name if you want, but I'm going to keep it as a petty cash. In the account type you have to select other and then you can simply enter any account number of your choice, it doesn't matter, and then click on add account. Now the second step is record petty cash withdrawals. So you need to again click on accounting menu and from there click on bank's account, and then on the screen you have to scroll down and then select your petty cash account. Click on the name of your petty cash and then you can simply click on this manage account button, and from there under this new section you have to click on this spend money. Now you need to enter the date and the reference number and which person are you sending or spending this money to, and then you can simply enter the items on this section if you want, and then simply click on this save. So that is how you can spend money from your petty cash. Now next step is recording the petty cash expenses. So for every purchase made using your petty cash you need to go to the again bank's account and from there click on bank's account and from there simply select your petty cash and follow the same steps that you have followed just like previous to record your petty cash expenses. And the last step is to reconcile the petty cash transactions. So again open up your petty cash account and then click on manage account. From there click on reconcile account. Then on the screen you will be able to see all of your transactions. Then you need to match the transaction with your recorded expenses. If needed you can manually add missing transaction on this list here by clicking on this add importing a bank statement, and once you can and then click on OK once everything is matched. So that is how you can reconcile petty cash in your Xero accounting software. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.